Welcome to my YakBot training tutorial. In this video we will be discussing how to create a Facebook Messenger JSON ad using YakBot. From your YakBot dashboard, click the Messenger Bot tab in the left menu. Next, click on the action arrow under Postback Manager. Now, click on the blue Create New Template button to begin setting up your postback. On the Add Postback template page, choose your Facebook page. Give your template a name and enter a unique postback ID. For this example, I will use the Quick Reply option. You can enable typing on display and choose the typing delay time. In the message box, enter your message. You can also style your messages with emojis if you like. Next, choose a button type. In this example we will use a postback. Now, in the postback ID drop box I will choose an existing postback. You also have the option to create a new postback on the fly. Simply click the Add button and you will be able to do so. The last step is entering the button text. Once completed, click on the blue Submit button. On your Postback Manager dashboard, click the Get JSON Code button, then copy the code in the pop-up. Next, we will head over to our Facebook Ads Manager so that we can add the JSON code. On your Facebook Ads Manager dashboard, choose a Messages campaign. Then in the left menu click Message Template. In the Message Template section, click Advanced Setup. Delete the content in the pop-up box. Then paste the JSON code we copied earlier in YakBot. Next click Save and Finish. Now, let's test it out. To do this, click the Preview in Messenger button. You should receive a notification. Close the pop-up and go to your Facebook page or profile. You should receive the message, and you should also be able to interact with your bot in Messenger. That's it for how to create a Facebook Messenger JSON ad. See you in the next video.